Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to XIAOMI 12T Pro. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both and tap on the search bars right away. Now type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When it's ready, hit Open. Now, in order to use it, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. Then you can click on Not Now if you wish to in this pop-up and close it by tapping on OK. Following that, just tap on the bottom left corner of your Android on Send and receive over here next to it on XIAOMI 12T Pro. Now finally you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories, and when you're ready, choose Send here. This way you will select all of them and send them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only one file, for example this one. Choose Send and tap on Got It. Now on XIAOMI, choose the best option for you. I will go with No Thanks and tap on Close this window. As you can see, from here we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here next to input key, choosing one of those options while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also select the back button and input this key over here instead until it expires. Now tap on Receive, and after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!